How to make a passport photo on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own passport photo using just your iPhone. First, open your camera app and use the front selfie camera to take a picture of yourself. When taking the photo, make sure you're standing in front of a plain background, just like this, so it's clean and simple. Once you've taken the picture, open it in your Photos app. Now press and hold your finger on the subject in the photo. After holding it down for a moment, your iPhone will automatically outline the subject. When that happens, tap on the Share button, scroll down, and select Save Image. Now if you go back to your photo gallery, you'll see that the background has been removed, leaving you with a clean white background. After you have your selfie with the white background, the next step is to adjust it to the correct dimensions. To do this, open the photo again and tap on the edit icon at the bottom. Then select Crop. In the top right corner, tap on the aspect ratio icon. Scroll through the options and choose Square. Make sure your face is centered properly within the frame. Once everything looks good, tap Done. And that's it. You now have your passport-style photo ready to upload and use for your passport application.